Okay, guys, we are back at it with the top pre-market gainers. These stocks are exploding up hundreds of percents this morning. Some of these are looking better than others and going to get ready to come in for the next bull run off of the next round of bullish divergence that's looking to be made. Follow along with the trends and make sure that you move carefully and accordingly. Whether it be a day trade on smaller charts or a swing trade on bigger charts, it's all about catching that thing on time. Getting right into it now with PRFX being the first up on our list. This came in for a hot bull run down from $3 up to the highs of $8. PRFX Pain Reform, for those of you who don't know what this one is a Israel-based pharmaceutical company. They are going to be needing more FDA approvals and or catalysts up and coming. Down to a quick dip here. They be looking to come in for a hot reversal. Very low stats, an average value of 108 million, and they got a current free float of 562 million on PRFX stock. And we were getting early alerts for PRFX later before this month started, towards the end of last month, letting us know that this stock was going to be gapping down to those lows. And when these stocks get down to those lows, you watch out for that for the next reversal to come in as they come in for that spike. PFRX coming out for easy early alerts along in the Discord. This will come last month towards November 26th. You will get in and wait for a safe, easy early seat. Only took about 3-4 days. Only took a couple days for this thing to come in for an explosion. And notice how it's peaking up back to the top of where it went, where it sold off from before. This is going to be big resistance at this point right here. But if I take you down to PFRX on a bigger chart trading time, for like your monthly chart is still at the bottom, hasn't even truly begun just yet. Next, you got Bjdx. Like I say, this is just a quick update to get people prepared for the market's opening and get warmed up for what's about to happen. Being familiar with the first pre-market stocks helps to understand what's going to be moving later on today, especially when you can see what things are picking up in that volume, like the Bjdx coming in for a volume of 3 million. They got an average volume of 348,000 and a current free float of 549,000. That float is getting filled, making Bjdx come in for a hot bull run all throughout the intraday, all throughout the pre-market for a small spike this morning, and then a much larger spike even just now from the lows of $3 up to $9.48. I did not catch BJDX. They were going for BJDX off of early alerts. Let us know this thing will be gapping up and higher. And right now, while it's at those highs that it gapped up to, it's starting to sell back down to those lows. People are selling off. You got pre-market day traders. Usually, pre-market day traders are going to be getting ready to sell things off into the pre-market. And welcome anybody joining in on the classroom. Currently, just talking about the top pre-market gainers right now. Only going to get throughout the maybe top 3 to 4. And keep in mind that right now, while these are pre-market moves, people probably be getting ready to lock in some gains and then get ready for another round until the intraday opening. Okay, and markets do open up here in about 15 minutes, so I got to get ready to watch my stocks as well. For those of you who want to know what I have going on, okay, I am into the SVMH. Came in for about 100% spike this morning. Also, yesterday morning, that's 2 days back to back for the SVMH. And I'll show you how you could have caught that not only just this morning. Of course, you see my alerts going out for not only just this round, could be in for even another round on SVMH. Brought out the alerts yesterday saying that this would be for an early seat swing trade. They are going to bounce. They're going to do a reverse split. They're going to bounce before that reverse split again. And it'll be another easy round that you can get again in SVMH. Just be ready and don't do too much. Locking gains. When the markets open up, we'll see another round of volatility coming in. Pointing this one out directly because of this one here is up like 51 million in value. That's insane volume for SVMH stock to be coming in for so early. And when you see the alert going out when I'm telling everybody to lock in gains, remember, SVMH of 70%, you see what I'm saying. I'm selling those things. Remember, locking gains and settle somewhere when you get nervous. And again, you can join class for all lessons and all questions. I'm in here all day, every day, doing these live trades. You can all follow along. SVMH is a rec penny stock. Okay, I can't stress it enough. A lot of people gonna be looking at this. Oh, it's in the video. It must be for the best thing of the lifetimes. No, this is a reg penny stock. We're gonna go for the swing, and then eventually gonna come in for a reverse split. You don't want to be caught in that. They probably end up doing like a 1 for 400 reverse split, pushing this thing back up to $4, and then they sell back off to about 50 cents, going right back out of compliance. So, just be careful in these things because just because it's picking up in the most active volume, and you see a video on it, don't mean it's the best thing to get into at that given time. A quick day trade is usually the move for these wrecked penny stocks, especially when the market's opening up in the morning and stuff. Last on our list, you got TARA, Proterra Therapeutics, going from $2.75 up to $8.35. TARA, a very hot stock right now, is already starting to get up to highs where small retails and whatnot really want to be wanting to mess with that thing like that. And again, for easy early alerts going out as parabolic moves on TARA, and members catch those things on time. Unlocking your gains. Locking your gains, get ready for the next move. Especially you caught that whole bull run and you find yourself up over 130%. This one here got a low average stats, 196,000 in volume, and a free float of 20 million. Okay, we're gonna watch that float. It's already getting filled pretty much. So another spike could be coming into TARA as big whales and whatnot are gonna be excited to be looking to TARA. Much more for us to talk about later on through the day. It's getting close for the markets to be opening. One thing, to have to speed through this one just a little bit. But if you were to call all of these or any of these, all these done exploded over 100% easy, 100% gainers. Easy stocks every day, and you see those in the Discord on time. For all of you people who can't afford a $10 membership to anything, I did create a free chat down there so you can be able to still participate in stuff like that. I know how $10 is gonna hurt your pocket so much. So participate in those, and I got you guys. I'll see y'all in there. Happy trading.